What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have a product from RayGalax, and I want to say thank you for sending me out your product to review. I'm gonna review it and unbox it. So pretty much, this is just a UFO Aurora light show projector. I'll review this and unbox it, but I'll probably be giving this to my 3-year-old nephew. But, you know, they reached out to me and asked me would I be interested in reviewing their product. And, of course, I said yes. So, this comes with a remote control. It has voice control. It has timing and BT on it, whatever that stands for. It has a lifetime up to 50,000 hours. So, on the back here, you get some things. It tells you about the remote control and the instructions, and pretty much this is just a little thing to where it'll project little stars or colors on your wall for sleeping. And this here shows you how to cut it on, how to turn it off. So now we're just gonna unbox this and see what it is about. Who knows, I may keep it for myself. It just all depends on how much I like it. But this is your instruction manual, as you can see here. And then you do get everything in the box here. So you get your little remote control. Like they said, this is voice activated. So there is the part where you would say something for a microphone, because it will recognize your voice. You get a little another card. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, or you can email them for support. And now we're going to take the product out of the box like so. Don't need the box anymore. This is the product right here. That's cool. It does look like a little UFO. That is nice. It has the little the light. This is where the LED colors will come from. You have your power on button, your power on and off button, volume up and down, volume up button, volume down button. And these are for some of the different things you can do. So stars and waves. You get the indicator sensor right there, as you can see. You get your charging cable here that looks like USB Type-C. So let's try to assemble this, and let's see if we can test this bad boy out. So yes, like I said, it is USB-C, which that is good to have, USB-C. So now let's try to put this together. So pretty much you just sit this part here in here like so. It'll pretty much sit here like so, because it's like a UFO. So you just want to sit it in like that, and then you would want to get your USB-C, your charging cable that they sent you out. So I'm going to try to hook this up and see if we can get a little demonstration real quick. So pretty much you just want to plug this in here, and then you get your charging brick right here. Plug that in like so, and now we have to plug this into the floor. So just bear with me. I'm gonna plug this up real quick and see if we can get it going and test it out on camera. But that is nice, you know. That's a nice little thing to have if you like this kind of stuff, you know.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, I'm back. I am back. Okay, so pretty much I already just plugged it in, and it talks to you as soon as you plug it in. And then you get your little remote. You can cut your LED lights off if you want to. You can cut the LED light off so it'll just project the stars, and the looks like the galaxy is on top of your wall. I will have to come back with a different video showing you the galaxy on top of the wall, but this overall, this is pretty cool. I may end up keeping this for myself now that I actually see what it can do and what it does. This does look pretty cool. You can use it for the channel, just to have, you know, something different on the channel, or to set it up on my desktop. So this will look even better if you were to cut your lights off in the room and project everything. But like I said, I'll be back showing you what it actually looks like up on the wall. I would, and pretty much this is the outcome of the little UFO from RayGalax. As you can see, it's changing at the top there. I don't know how well you can see that, but let's go back, put it back to the little stars. There's the little galaxy. Now let's get back to the little stargazing. As you can see, the little stars have currently came back. So overall, this is a cool little product to have. Mainly it's good for a kid, but hey, if you want to keep it for yourself, you can do that, which I might keep it for myself. But pretty much this is what you would get. It shows little stars on the sky, and it'll probably look even cooler if I were to cut my ring light off, but I'm keeping that on for the sake of the video. But pretty much this is what you can do with your RayGalax device. Bluetooth mode. And it has Bluetooth mode, so I guess you can probably like play music, hook up your phone and probably play music to this little device, which is actually really cool. I will leave a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself if you were interested in buying this product. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.